As Boston Brews back. Turn 4, January 1938, the KMT in the USA. So look at the income chart. Big move by the Japanese. They're getting very aggressive. They declared war on China. What else we got going on? Tech chart. There's the Axis check chart. Let me know if it's wrong. I think it's correct. And here's the Allies in the common turn, and the British finally missed one. And here's a look at the bank. You got Germany at 51, Japan 31, Italy 10, the USR 23, CCP 3, the French 14, Anzacs 13, Great Britain 16, Far East Command 7, KMT 6, USA 6. A couple things that happened. On the UK turn, we let him change his buys. He didn't know he could lease this turn, so the French wound up sending an AA, and the Anzacs also sent a AAA to Yunnan, which is now KMT. And this is what went which way. KMT over here, a couple units, we got that one. Shanghai was the only one that got rolled for, and it went to the CCP. Other than that, what else has happened? We've signed a truce with the CCP, and we've agreed not to attack each other. So with that being said, let's get to the KMT turn. The KMT has $6 to spend. They're going to spend 3 of it and save 3. And buy 1 infantry. And so that'll give them, they're going to collect 5 and save 3. So they'll have 8 for next turn. So let's do that right now before I forget, because I might forget. Probably not, but anyway. All right. So I'm going to grab our infantry. We got a little bit of non-combat. So the infantry is going to go in Yunnan. So I'm going to place it right on the card with the original 2 and 4 militia and 2 AAs. We got Lend-Lease. Out of Sitkang-yang, I'm going to take 2 infantry and move them into Shanghai. Help protect the CCP. We were fighting, but now we're kind of friendly. I do remember they did attack me, though. I'm not going to forget that. Coming out of Quichao into Yunnan will be 6 infantry, 4 cavalry, let's see what else we got going on. Coming down from Sitkang will be 2 more infantry into Yunnan. Coming out of Tibet will be a cavalry going 1 into Sitkang, 2 into Yunnan. We're going to have a mountain move over from Tibet to Sitkang. We're going to have 3 infantry move out of Szechuan into Sitkang. So I believe that is it. Where's this Windows militia? I can't move. So, unit recap for the KMT. In Shanghai, hanging out with some CCP are 2 infantry. In Sitkang is a militia, a mountain infantry, and 3 regular infantry. Szechuan, Hunan, and Nanking have 1 militia each. Quichao has 2 militia. And in Yunnan is 4 militia, 2 AAA, 5 cavalry. And let's see, that's a stack of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5. 11 regular infantry. So maybe he'll come this turn for me. All right. So that's it for the KMT. The USA. Finally, something a little more interesting. They get the roll for tech. So, we got $6 to spend, and we're not buying anything. We're going to save it and collect. We're at 11 now, thanks to the Japanese aggression. So 11 and 6, we'll have 17 for next turn. Almost like a world power money. All right, 17 for next turn. Let's get through our tech. Okay. Strategic rockets at a 9 and heavy strategic bombers at a 9. Heavy large ship construction at 8. Jets at 8. Actually, the second one was long-range aircraft at 8. Jets at 8. Improved construction and amphibious doctrine. So, we need a red, a yellow, 2 different greens, a blue, a black, and a white. Okay, here we go. High numbers. We're not attacking. We want high numbers. I see 2, 3. Oh, this looks like a good roll. Okay, got an 8 on the blue, 10 on the black, 11 and 9. So those are all successes, I think. Yeah, because this I know is large ship. So blue 8 is large ship. Black 10 is rockets, which are useless. And a yellow is jets. And red is bombers. And I got the harder ones. I kind of wanted the 7 on the green there for improved construction. So, let's see. We've got rockets. Bombers. Bombers. No, I actually put the first one on bombers. Large ship. Oh, look at that. All the bottom ones in jets. Alrighty. As I said, we collect 6. No, we collect 11, we save 6, so we'll have 17. Don't think I need to do a USA recap. I'll do a little flyover if you want. A couple battles, I might as well. 2 battleships, 2 destroyers, 1 heavy cruiser, 1 transport, in case I miss something, put a set up. Militia, infantry, AAA. The Brave Peter ship in the Philippines, transport, import, militia each. San Francisco has a infantry and militia. Import is a transport to destroyer. We got 2 subs and coastal subs and P-25. On the East Coast, let's see. In Texas, import, I have a transport, light cruiser, destroyer. Got a militia in Panama. 2 coastal subs, A-30. Yep. Seaplane in the Carolinas. Import, an A-25 in New York is 3 destroyers and a transport. Import in Washington is a fleet carrier, 2 battleships, light cruiser, heavy cruiser, destroyer, transport. In Washington, D.C. is a tactical bomber, a fighter. Militia and infantry in New York is light armor, artillery, infantry, militia, tactical, medium bomber. In New England is a militia and infantry. And I believe that's it. Ooh, look at my new things here that I put out. I was going to show those. I found these flags in some old plastic men sets. So I says, oh, these will be good. I can use these. Anything to freshen up the map. You know what I mean? All right. So this is Boston Bruce turning it over to Global War Enthusiasts with Germany. And I might as well move the chat up to 5. And, ooh, you may see some medium armor being purchased this turn by the Germans. And an attack on France probably next turn. Boston Bruce signing out.